In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Shopify quickly and easily. Whether a customer requested a cancellation, entered the wrong information, or an item is out of stock, Shopify makes the process simple. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store admin, click on Orders from the menu on the left side of the screen. This section contains all of the orders placed in your store. Browse through your orders and select the order you want to cancel. Click on the order number to open the order details page, where you can review the customer's information, products ordered, payment status, and fulfillment status. On the order details page, look for the More Actions button near the top of the screen. Click it to open a drop-down menu with additional order management options. From the drop-down menu, select Cancel Order. Shopify will open a cancellation window where you can choose whether to restock the items, issue a refund if payment has already been collected, and optionally provide a reason for the cancellation. Review the cancellation settings carefully, then click Cancel Order to confirm. Shopify will process the cancellation and update the order status accordingly. If needed, notify your customer about the cancellation and refund status to maintain a positive customer experience. That's it. You've successfully cancelled an order on Shopify. Thanks for watching.